Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on what time you're watching this. This is Chris again, the Watch Lounge, coming in with another review and also an unboxing at the end of the video as well. I have a special unboxing, guys, so stick around towards the end, or you can kind of go towards the end if you want, skip. Quick wristwatch check. I am indeed wearing that Belova, that lunar palette that Indalecio sent in. Really appreciate it. Loving this watch. I definitely could see probably buying one at some point and add one to the collection. If I look a little tired, sorry guys, I just worked a 10-hour shift last night, so still up. It's about 6 in the morning almost, so been up for a little bit. But this is Peter C's watch, guys. I will show his Instagram across the screen here. Go give him a follow and a like. Tell him I sent you guys. He's sending plenty of watches to the channel. This is indeed the Citizen. This is the Real Timer. It's a perpetual Real Timer watch, which at this price range, now, I believe I found it on Amazon for about $225. Now, at this price range, it's definitely a really cool option for someone that wants something different, something kind of a real timer, along the veins of the Patek Philippe, I guess, kind of real timer, of course, at a fraction of the price. Now, I'm not comparing this quality-wise to that. I'm just saying it would be an option compared to that. And again, this is something kind of different, something kind of unique, which I kind of like Peter's taste because he kind of finds the kind of hidden gems every once in a while, especially when it comes to like affordable watches. Definitely pretty cool, especially for the budget. And also, again, like Citizen, as you know, I love Citizen watches. Their quality for the price, like I said, for the $225, you can't really beat it, guys. It's just a great watch overall. And this is one watch that you can actually kind of dress up. You can actually kind of dress down as well. You can dress it up, like I said, dress it up, wear it with a suit. Or you could, if you wanted to, you could even wear it with like a t-shirt like this. But again, anyways, guys, I will do the unboxing. As I said, I did buy a Seiko PADI Turtle from Dane, Saline driver. So if you're watching this, Dane, thanks for the great deal on that watch. But I will do that unboxing at the end of the video, and I will go ahead and show you guys the watch on the desk. Here is the said watch, guys. It does have a sapphire crystal. It is about 40.5, almost 41 millimeters across, guys, so it will fit a majority wrist. It has that blue kind of black dial going in with the real going into the black. And again, this is a perpetual real timer. Basically, how you set it is you pull the crown out. Of course, it is a push-pull crown. And you pull the crown out and you set it, you wind it to whatever city. You can set it to 126 different cities, I believe, guys. So that's how you set it to whatever time zone you're going to. Like, say you're traveling to London here, and then you want to change the time to that. That's all you would have to do just to change that. You see the date window there at the 3 o'clock, guys. It's got clean indices. The leather strap that comes on is not too bad. Nothing to write home about. I'll probably end up swapping out like a NATO or maybe something a little bit nicer leather strap, but overall not too bad. Again, for $225, this is powered by the Citizen Eco Drive movement, guys. Definitely killer movement. Citizen is known for their Eco Drive movement, as you guys know, and I do believe they have something crazy like a 30-day or 60-day actual power reserve. Correct me if I'm wrong down there as well. It is only a 50-meter water resistance, so I definitely, I could see getting this wet, maybe if you're caught in the rain, whatever, but I definitely went, of course, for this to pull or anything. And it's not an overly thick watch, guys. Here is the case back with that Citizen logo. Nothing too crazy, Citizen Watch Company. And again, like I said, if you're looking for something different, something kind of an alternative to a real high-end real timer, and you maybe are wanting to test out the look, definitely go for this piece. This is a cool piece, and I appreciate Peter again for sending in this piece. Definitely overall really cool, like I said, with the Citizen Eco Drive, perfect grab and go piece, and definitely worth the money. Let me go ahead and I'll take off the balloon palette, and I will show you guys what it looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist. And here is what it looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist, guys. Overall, not too bad. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Have you looked at this watch? Are you looking at something like this? You can see the Citizen on the clasp there, on the hardware. Are you looking at something like this? Or have you thought about buying something like this? Let me know down in the comments. But anyways, guys, I will go to the unboxing of the PADI. Now here is the box. Of course, you guys know nothing too crazy, the usual Seiko fanfare. And I will say for Dane's peace of mind, yeah, I didn't include the outer boxes. You know, you guys know the incident, the infamous incident there, guys. But just showing you guys the box that came in, nothing too crazy there. And those of you that know my channel know that this was one of the very first pieces that I had got when I got seriously into watches. And when I started filming a lot and getting really, like I said, gotten really into watches. And I kind of missed this watch, so I ended up rebuying it. Couldn't pass up the offer from Dane, couldn't pass up the price. So he keeps his watches pretty mint, guys. So if you guys are looking at a watch from Dane, aka Celine Driver, I'll leave a link down to his channel as well. Give him a shout. I believe he's shown his Squale 1521 as well. I don't know if he's still got any bites on that or not. But again, I appreciate the deal, Dane. Of course, as you can see, the PADI logo. This is Professional Association of Divers, which is pretty cool. Again, like I said, let me know if you want to see a re-review of this piece. It was in one of my earlier videos about a year or so ago. It was kind of cringy, I guess, to watch. So let me know if you would, in fact, like to see a re-review of this. Let me know down in the comments. And again, if you guys haven't already, please like, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff for the algorithm. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching this long, guys. And share the channel as it does help with the growth. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.